Hey, what's going on, everybody? Yo, I'm too excited right now. I am too excited. I'm gonna wait till a little bit more people get up in here before I let y'all know why I'm too excited right now. Because just know, a lot of gracious opportunities and a lot of gracious things can always present itself to you if that is something that you want for yourself. So ultimately, y'all, I am too ecstatic right now. Like, you have no idea the reason why I am too ecstatic right now. Like, you don't even know. You don't even know. And then, I'm gonna just let you know, because at the end of the day, I got a box today. And I got a box for a reason. And this box right here is only for the gracious. Because understand, if you're gracious in this world, all gracious things can't happen to you as long as you are gracious. So first and foremost, I'm going to start this off by saying, in order to achieve a lot of success or be a lot of success, you got to have a lot of successful ways to go ahead and generate some successful income. Especially go out and look at Tai Lopez, the 3 Wealth Commandments, and then go ahead and you'll understand as well too. But that's a video for you to do on your own knowledge. But 3 sources of income. Why? Because if you depend on one source of income, you can fail out. So understand, a lot of stuff is going to be coming your way in many different ways. So the first one that I need to present to y'all is, it works. Why did I choose it works for me? Because at the end of the day, I need to have my fitness and I need to have my health. And if It Works is providing gracious supplements with keto energy and a lot of that organic stuff, then you know what? I most definitely need to partake in this. It Works for me is more than just health. It's a way of life that ultimately we all need to strive for if we want, success, if we want a better lifestyle. Because when you're healthy, you are happy. And today we got our little business in a box, because at the end of the day, this is a gracious way to sell supplements and still get paid, so you can help the next and still have fun during the whole entire process. So without further ado, I need to open this up, because you know what? It's gracious. Damn. This shit right here is I'm weak. But you know what? I gotta have some of that It Works power. It works! Yeah! Yeah! Oh yeah! What do we got? It works. It's an adventure. It's an adventure, huh? This is what you get when you go ahead and join this gracious company to help provide. To the masses and help them out with their health and give them the nutritional needs. So, let's see. It looks like they give you some little energy keto packs. Keto energy is gracious for you, because at the end of the day, keto is the truth for you and your body. Look it up if you don't believe me. Oh, you get it. It looks like 2 berry? Berry at that? What's good? Berry? Damn. Alright, so what else do we get? Oh, they hook you up with the water packs. They hook you up with them berry packs. See? Berry. And berry's good for you too, because at the end of the day, keto mixed with a berry is something that you need so that you can have a healthy body and be pleased throughout your day. Thank you, It Works like you don't even know. And we got more. We got a whole goodie bag. A whole goodie bag. Keto coffee. It Works Keto's coffee, huh? Understand, for all y'all coffee lovers, if you're looking for a healthy way to keep your energy levels up and wake up, then you want to understand that keto coffee is going to be the truth for you. Non-GMO, HMO, organic, you know what it is. Stop playing. What else do you get? I'm telling y'all, this It Works. I'm telling you, businesses, succeed. Understand, partner with businesses and you succeed. Think about it. All of us work for a company in one way, shape, or form. Whether that's a 9 to 5, you get it on your own, or whatever the case may be. But I need you to understand, partner with some businesses and you will succeed. So let's see what else we got. You know what? You got another Cato Coffee. Like, I need y'all to understand. If you are that coffee lover, you need that energy and you need something that's going to make you pleaseful and happy and blissful. Non-GMO, HMO, or organic. You need this Cato Coffee. You need it in your life. Stop playing. I'm telling you, it works is the truth. I mean, I want to let y'all know that because of it works, you're going to have a healthy lifestyle. You're going to not only be able to be healthy for your family, because let's face it, if you got kids or you literally have that stressful living, you need to be healthy. The more you don't take care of yourself, the less you can take care of your family. You burn out, your whole family burns out. It's just that simple. So understand, if you are tired of that burnout Cato Coffee, what's good? Keep it all energy, and you need to keep it organic and healthy, because at the end of the day, as long as you're natural, I mean, you'll always live. You get a lot of Cato Coffees like, mwah. You know what I'm saying? This is that, mwah. This is that muy bien right here. That muy bien. If you're not messing with the Cato Coffee, you are no bueno at this point in time. Cato Coffee, it works. I'm sure. You get a lot. They give you a lot when it comes to opening up the box. Like it says, you know, it works. Adventure. I mean, I'm gonna just take it out real quick. It works. Adventure, Marvel's Adventures. This is like the Avengers for it works. Your health, your wealth, your supplements, your life. Simple like that. I need y'all to understand. What else do you get? I'm going through this one by one because at the end of the day, I need y'all to see what this company is giving you. As soon as you join and so forth, and as soon as you get down with the get down so you can better your health, yourself, your family, and your life. Simple like this. And you get another Cato Coffee. They make sure to hook you up with the Cato Coffee because at the end of the day, we need energy. We need the energy. I mean, we need energy to work. We need energy to take care of our families. We need energy just to wake up. You know, when you first wake up, how many neurons fire and how hard that your heart actually works to kickstart your whole entire body. Look it up. It is insane. And this Cato Coffee right here is going to be the reason why that you continue to wake up. Because at the end of the day, at the very end of the day, you need the energy to please. So, yes. What else do we got? I'm telling you, they hook you up with the Cato Coffee. Hold up real quick. I had to drop the whole bag. Boom! I'm telling you. I figured this is at least a 7-day supply of Cato Coffee. This is gracious. Like, I'm about to be drinking all the coffee, like, you know what I'm saying? Non-GMO, HMO, keto life, all day. Hold up. What else do we got? What else do we got through this goodie bag? I'm telling you, more Cato Coffee. This company knows. This company is the truth. You know what I'm saying? And look at the package. This is how y'all need to understand. A lot of y'all, want to gauge businesses on how a business looks and so forth. I mean, it doesn't get no more official than this. Look at the colors. Look at the colors. The green and white mixed in with the black. The coffee's the bean symbol right here with the black. You see the way it just merges onto its whole, package. This company is not no bullshit. This is the real deal. I need to let y'all know real quick. This is the real deal. This company is the truth right now. I mean, I need y'all to quit fucking around. It's the Keto Life. It's the muy bueno. Necesito más café para mí porque you need to know. And I need it. And I'm here to tell you. It works. It's here. It works. I'm telling you, it works. You know what I'm saying? Esto trabajo. Esto trabajas. It works. You know what I'm saying? Little, nice little ingredients. You got to have the ingredients. You got to have the ingredients. Well, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna read a little ingredients to y'all because your education is my life. Because the more that you're informed and the more that you are educated as far as what is healthy for your life, the better that you can do and the better that you can have all your endeavors ways. So let's see. It's only got 10 calories. The berry only has 10 calories. Its total carbohydrates are 2 grams. 2 grams. I mean, that is nothing. That is nothing. All right. Dietary fiber, 1 gram. Magnesium, 50 milligrams. You know, you need your magnesium. Magnesium is a great way for your body to not only retain memory, but that also in itself, your body actually produces magnesium. So, you know, get with it, because that also helps with energy. You know, it's all this stuff is organic. It's made for your body, okay? So, other than that, we have potassium. Potassium is 250 milligrams. Understand, you need potassium. Potassium is great for bone health, amongst a lot of gracious things. I need y'all to understand. So the Green's proprietary blend, okay? They give you a way that you can go ahead and put a lot of what It Works products is into shakes. You know, you can go ahead and put in that water. You can put it in that milk. You can put it in all sorts of gracious things, because at the end of the day, you know, at the very end of the day, your style is your life. So if you can go ahead and mix these gracious products that is already naturally healthy for you, and yes, I'm doing the snap and everything, because at the end of the day, I need y'all to understand, snap back into reality, that It Works is the truth. And if you can go ahead and mix this in your little waters, your coffees, your milks, your shakes, your blends, your foods, your greens, all that, I'm telling you, you're gonna be like the whole, you're gonna be truth. You know what I'm saying? And at the same time too, like my gracious friend said too, you know, the alkalines for your body, you need that as well too. Like, It Works is straight organic, and it's none of that bullshit, you know, at the end of the day, that we get in a lot of the other supplements and a lot of the other, you know, BS out there that's not non-GMO, HMO. Yes. What else do we got? This for all y'all beauty queens out there. This for all y'all people that wants to look righteous, who don't want to, you know, have that bull and have all that, you know, toxicity on your skin. Because other than a lot of It Works being a health and fitness company, it's also a body company. You know what I'm saying? That beauty, you know. We got 2 ultimate body applicators right here. 2 ultimate body applicators. So what does that mean? Once I apply this, you know what I'm saying, my whole face, my whole body is gonna be It Works. Like, I'm feeling It Works right now, the green and the black and all the sunshine and all the energy and all that gracious jazz, because at the end of the day, It Works is here to stay. It works, it works, its work is here to stay. Yes. What else do we got? Like I said, this company is hooking you up. I mean, whether you need the Keto Energy, lemon lime all day, you know, throw this in your water. Matter of fact, I'm going to take me one right now. Let's see. Which one should I take? Should I take the lemon lime? Should I take the lemon lime, or should I take the berry? Which one should I take? I need to know. So many different options. Which one should I do? You know what? Fuck it. I'm going to do both. Fuck it. So, first up, lemon lime. Oh, yes. Hold up. What we got? Little pixie thing. Hold up. Lemon lime. Here we go. Damn! It works! Oh, shit! I already feel my energy levels up. Woo! It works. Ooh, that pixie thing was the truth. Ugh. Now let's go ahead and try the berry. Ooh. Hey, you gotta love the little pixie sticks that they give you, because, yo, it'll bring you back to when you was a kid. If you ever tried one of the pixie sticks, you just knew that was heaven. As soon as you know, open up the package, and then all the gracious, you know, flavors mixed in with the salt and the tongue and everything, and it's just like, take you back. Woo! was good. Yo. Yo, that was good. Woo! Yo. It works, like I said. It's here to stay. It's here to stay. I don't know what y'all talking about. Ooh, I'm already feeling this energy. I'm feeling this tingling sensation. Yo, you need these products. If you want these products, go ahead and get in contact with me. I am Maurice Wright, but everyone calls me Mo for short. Like I said, many different streams, many different avenues coming your way. It works is the truth. It works is here to stay. Yes. And I'm telling you, I can't be any more fired up because, especially if you're someone that loves to help people, you're someone that wants to bring gracious knowledge to the forefront about health, and you want to be to help them to help their families. Non-GMO, non-HMO, and now all natural keto lifestyle, you know what it is. Get pumped, because I'm telling you, this is the new move, this is the new generation, this is the new all that jazz. And so with that being said, you know what I'm saying, I'm already feeling gracious from this, you know what I'm saying, It Works in Beauty supplement, you know what I'm saying, yeah, you know what I'm saying. Go ahead and get in contact with me. If there's a link, go ahead and click the link to find out more. But like I said, this is Maurice Wright, and hey, it's time to get down, it's time to play. It Works is here to stay, and let's begin the day. Let's take it easy.